You know what kind of work you're going to get on your vehicle at an auto repair shop the moment you walk in the door. Now, you've been to plenty of shops and you've seen the dealerships and you've seen the small shops and you've seen everything in the middle. And you're going to vote for who you want to fix your car with your dollar. Well, we're hoping you're voting for us, but let's explain why we hope we get your vote. The reality is, if you walked into a facility and it wasn't clean, you need to be worried about the safety of the folks working there. Well, if there's stuff all over the floor, tools, parts, rags, oil, the safety of those folks working there is in question, which means, what's the workmanship on your car? If you came in and you got it fixed and it left and you noticed something, you're going to question every detail. And we encourage you to. Trust is everything in our industry. That's why there's windows in the lobby. That's why our diagnostics are done in the front bay, and we bring you right in and interview your technician with you so they can educate you on your vehicle and what's going on with it. Because if you were to walk into a facility and it was anything other than a dealership showroom condition, you should be worried about your car. If you were going to get surgery and that operating room didn't look pristine, you wouldn't want to get touched there no matter what, and you wouldn't let your family. But plenty of folks, they do let that happen to their car. So we encourage you, when you get your vehicle in service, ask for a tour. Come and see us anytime. Unannounced, we'd love to show you our facility. We can show you exactly why we shine above and beyond, and why every inspector that'll come through to make sure that you're safe, whether it's from OSHA, state compliancy, lift safety, is going to walk into our facility and say, have a great day, guys. Thanks for taking care of the cars. The reality is, it's the greatest marketing there is. We never knew that when we get all these inspectors in that are required by law to be here, that we'd end up their mechanic when they realized we had the cleanest shop in the state.